What if I told you that you are a lightworker and a spiritual being with immense power who arrived on Earth with a great purpose? Yes, you might be a lightworker, but you might not be aware of it. So what are the qualities of a lightworker? How do you know that you are a lightworker? Well, Dolores Cannon, the famous spiritual speaker and author, believes that certain signs indicate whether an individual is a lightworker or not. So what are those signs? Keep watching as we uncover the secrets of lightworkers shared by the legendary Dolores Cannon. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe because it helps us create more videos for you. So now let's get started. Dolores Cannon was indeed a pioneer in the world of spirituality and the exploration of metaphysical dimensions. Her insights significantly contributed to our understanding of lightworkers, those exceptional individuals who shine brightly in the spiritual realm. She was more than just a visionary hypnotherapist. Dolores Cannon was an author and researcher who transcended the boundaries of conventional knowledge. Over her long career spanning several decades and numerous hypnosis sessions, she delved deeply into the human psyche. In doing so, she uncovered hidden truths and spiritual wisdom that helped with truth seekers around the world. One of her most significant discoveries was the concept of lightworkers. Dolores Cannon identified a unique energy within certain individuals, a powerful force for healing and transformation. Through her hypnosis sessions, Dolores Cannon established direct communication with her clients' subconscious minds. This allowed her to access a wellspring of knowledge beyond conscious thought. During these sessions, she uncovered accounts of past lives, encounters with extraterrestrial beings, and profound insights into the very fabric of the universe, leading to the emergence of the concept of lightworkers. In the stories of these extraordinary individuals, Dolores Cannon discerned recurring themes. These patterns pointed to their roles as catalysts for positive change and transformation. Dolores Cannon's work didn't just introduce the idea of lightworkers, she emphasized their essential role in humanity's journey toward higher consciousness. She stressed that these individuals played an important part in raising the planet's vibrational frequency and guiding humanity toward greater awareness and unity. Much like stars illuminating the night sky, lightworkers radiate positive energy, compassion, and a commitment to helping others. So are you ready to explore the 7 signs that Dolores Cannon's teachings suggest might reveal your inner lightworker? Sign 1. The search for ancient wisdom. According to this sign, you consider yourself as an explorer who wants to uncover hidden truths and ancient knowledge that spans human history. Are you drawn to ancient teachings and wisdom that go beyond the ordinary? This isn't a passing interest. It's a compelling force leading you toward universal understanding. Dolores Cannon's teachings reveal that lightworkers had an insatiable thirst for unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Your curiosity isn't fleeting, it's a chorus of ancient echoes pulling you forward. Like a dedicated seeker of lost treasures, you're compelled to explore the complexities of existence, the profound questions that have fascinated human minds for generations. Your quest for wisdom becomes a journey of self-discovery, a mission to uncover profound truths that resonate deep within your soul. The knowledge you gather isn't meant to be kept to yourself, it's a light you carry to illuminate the path for others. Your connection to ancient wisdom isn't a coincidence, it's a fundamental part of your identity as a lightworker, empowering you to inspire and uplift those you encounter. Sign 2. Overflowing compassion. Can you imagine stepping into someone else's emotional world, experiencing their joys and sorrows as if they were your own? It's like having an emotional compass that guides you through the landscape of your heart. This goes beyond mere sympathy. It's an intuitive connection that allows you to provide comfort and guidance without the need for words. According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, lightworkers possess an exceptional gift for compassion. It's as if you can create a haven for others, cradling their emotions with your deep understanding. Your presence becomes a sanctuary, offering solace in a sometimes unforgiving world. You become a source of healing and illumination, soothing wounds and dispelling darkness. Sign 3. Harmonizing with vibrations. This sign shows that you possess a sixth sense that allows you to perceive the subtle symphony of energies that flow through the universe. As a lightworker, you possess a unique sensitivity to vibrations, those energetic currents that pulse beneath the surface of reality. Picture yourself as a conductor, orchestrating a harmonious blend of energies wherever you go. Dolores Cannon suggests that lightworkers are finely attuned to these vibrations, much like a tuning fork resonating in harmony with the cosmos. As a cosmicon, you don't merely experience a room, you sense its energetic signature. You don't just visit places, you connect with their essence, immersing yourself in the stories they tell through energy. Your presence becomes a catalyst for balance and serenity. Just as a maestro guides an orchestra, you guide the ebb and flow of energies around you. In your harmonious presence, chaos transforms into tranquility, and discord evolves into resonance. Your ability to attune to vibrations isn't just a gift, it's a tool for transformation, allowing you to create a more harmonious world. Sign 4. Healing hands and heart. Imagine your hands as conduits of transformation, channels for soothing energy capable of mending the broken and easing troubled hearts. This isn't just a metaphor, it's a fundamental part of your being. Your hands carry a unique energy, a resonance that brings relief to those in pain. This energy flows from the depths of your heart to the tips of your fingers. From a young age, you might have been drawn to healing practices such as massage, energy work, or alternative therapies. According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, lightworkers often possess a natural ability to heal, not only on a physical level but also on deep emotional and spiritual levels. Your touch becomes a pathway to restoration, a bridge between suffering and relief. Your heart is filled with compassion, a source of the healing essence the world so desperately needs. Sign 5. Unwavering optimism. In a world frequently overshadowed by negativity and adversity, you radiate an unshakable optimism that defies the surrounding darkness. This isn't a mere facade, it's a genuine outlook that discovers silver linings even in the most challenging circumstances. Dolores Cannon's teachings remind us that your optimism isn't just a personality trait, it's a profound gift you share with the world. As a lightworker, you possess an innate ability to see beyond surface appearances, finding growth within challenges. Your optimism isn't blind, it's rooted in your understanding of the transformative power of difficulties. Like a caterpillar's struggle leading to its transformation into a butterfly, you recognize that challenges often foster growth and evolution. Your positivity becomes a wellspring of strength for those around you. Your perspective isn't naive, it's a beacon of resilience, showing others a path through the darkness. You remind them that setbacks are temporary, growth is attainable, and hope is a perpetual flame burning within each of us. In a world that occasionally forgets the influence of positivity, you stand as a living testament to its enduring power. Sign 6. Feeling like an outsider with purpose. Have you ever gazed upon the world and sensed that you were viewing it through a unique lens, as if you hailed from a different realm? It's like your heart dances to a rhythm not everyone can hear. According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, this feeling of being an outsider isn't a sign of disconnection. It's a testament to your unique purpose. In a world where many follow established paths, lightworkers often find themselves blazing their trail. It's not that you're isolated, it's that you're here to pioneer new territory. Dolores Cannon reminds us that your sense of otherness isn't a flaw, it's a hallmark of your extraordinary mission. You're not meant to fade into the background, you're here to stand out, to illuminate the way for others who may be lost in the shadows. Think of yourself as a lighthouse on the shoreline of humanity, guiding ships safely through life's treacherous waters. Your light may be different and unconventional, but it's precisely this uniqueness that draws others to you. It's a call that resonates beyond words, a call for authenticity, courage, and the wholehearted embrace of your purpose. Sign 7. A strong desire to help. Have you ever felt a deep inner fire, an irresistible urge to reach beyond your boundaries and make a meaningful impact on the world? It's like an inner calling that insists on contributing to the greater good. This isn't just a passing thought. It's a profound call that echoes within your soul. Dolores Cannon's teachings reveal that lightworkers are driven by a strong desire to serve humanity. It's not just a choice, it's a calling that you willingly embrace. Your purpose isn't vague. It's a guiding light that leads you through a world of endless possibilities. This purpose motivates you to use your gifts, wisdom, and energy to create positive change. Imagine yourself as a guiding lighthouse in stormy seas, helping ships find safety. Similarly, you guide souls through life's challenges, showing them a path to healing and transformation. Your actions, no matter how small, have a ripple effect, touching lives in ways you may not fully grasp. You become a beacon of hope in a world yearning for authenticity and compassion. So if these signs are with you, if you feel a sense of recognition deep within your core, it's time to embrace your identity as a lightworker. You're not a mere observer in the grand tapestry of existence. You're a co-creator, a beacon of light in a world ready to bask in the brilliance you bring. As you step into your role as a lightworker, remember that you're not alone. You're part of a luminous tribe, a community of souls who, like stars in the night sky, each shine with their unique brilliance. Your life is filled with purpose, compassion, and empowerment, so let your light shine, for it's your very essence that has the power to illuminate the path for others, guiding them toward their radiant purpose. I hope I delivered a good and deep analysis of this idea by Dolores Cannon, as she was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.